Hello YouTubers and welcome. Today I currently have a brand new speaker to test. Now at first I thought this was a Tesco's exclusive Bluetooth speaker, but it's not. I think it's basically a speaker which is a generic speaker you can buy from any store. It was a bit on the pricey side, but I'm going to give it a chance. It was basically not reduced. It was £14.99. So for what I'm paying, I'm really hoping I get a really good sounding speaker out of this. This is a bass test and review. As you can see, there's some information about it. It also comes with a 12-month warranty from Aldi when you buy it from Aldi. Apparently it's a 6 watt speaker, as you can see. But anyway, let's unbox it and see what the speaker is going to be like. To me, it looks like one of the JVC flip speakers. I can't remember what generation because they brought out so many. Oh yeah, it's definitely a replica of a JVC product. Because you look at this, look at the way that turns. It looks like this is waterproof maybe. So on first impressions, the speaker's got some good weight. It's got some really soft passive speakers on it. Okay, so it's more curved towards the top. It's got 2 speakers in there. That's kind of annoying. Oh, I see. So they've designed it so it sits like that, which that kind of annoys me a bit, but anyway. So let's see what's in the box. I'm having to do this one-handed, by the way, so sorry if the camera quality is very shaky. So put that out of the way. See what we get in the box. Right, so it looks like we get a aux cable. So the speaker can use aux if you don't have Bluetooth. And then it uses, let's see. Okay, it uses one of those. I call it a Samsung plug. Camera's not wanting to focus. Typical. Come on, focus. Why is my camera not wanting to focus? There we go. There we go. It uses one of them. Right. Hopefully this is charge in it. So I'm going to switch it on. I've already got dust on the bloody thing. Wonderful. So let's see what it sounds like.
Power on.
Okay, very generic sound for powering on. Right. Let's see how it sounds. We find what it's called. It's called Juice or J. Also, I don't know how you say it, but Boongo. This camera really doesn't want to focus right now. Pair.
Bluetooth connected.
Hopefully it sounds really good. Right, let's play some non-copyright music.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through.
Okay, you have to give it a bit of volume for the bass.
I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls, cause I'm not in the mood.
Wait, that says output 3 watt.
From the rest of the room.
Hang on, guys.
I can heal it all.
That says it's 3 watts. So, wait, what? Does it actually say? Hang on. It does. 6 watts. Oh, I see. Never mind. So it says 3 watts in there, so it's 3 watts per speaker, which means altogether it's 6 watts. Yeah, this speaker, it could be better. I'm not gonna lie.
If you're patient and soon, it can all be worth it. All the searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know the time can heal it all, what they do.
Right. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and goodbye.